the same uniform as what you see on the picture. With his shirt tucked in and him bag and him back. That's what the principal of Manchester High School just said. They saw Jayden who missing from a couple of days back, previous to when they must have them see him.
This time she said it again, but she's on in the same uniform as posted in the picture, school uniform, shirt tucked in, just the same knapsack on his back. But this time she said he had another bag in his hand as well, so they are surmising that maybe he was heading.
Well, you hear what I'm saying? Well, you hear what I'm saying, Kyle? Him said this time he has another bag with him as well. So put this on in the third process now. Put this in on the third process. You're running with a rucksack bag on your back and a next bag in your hand. 12-year-old, and nobody can catch you. Now, think about that for a second. You have a knapsack bag on your back. Exactly, unbothered. Exactly. He prepare everything else according to them, and not even one piece of clothes. Not even one piece of clothes. Everything else in prepare, but not even one piece of shirt, because this is how much days after, you know. And you still see him with him rucksack on him back, in clothes tucked in clothes dry back, and him have another bag. And you tell me say God alone can bear the cross and all the world go free? No, there's a cross and crown for everybody. I mean, also one big one, the one link them right to one there for that one for Gabriel.
He was the town to get food or something, because it would have been about less than 5 minutes now from the nearest food place on the rest of the road.
So what's the impact just with Gabriel on the students, you know, his friends, colleagues there at the school, now that they're doing the search and today's another day that you've come up short?
No, there's that's number one, but as you can imagine, we're not used to this kind of thing. None of the students in the current population would have had to endure a situation like this. So despite the fact that Jayden would have just started Manchester High School just 1 month now.
Alright. So you hear the old grassmate say that out of mouth, because they might describe one child were in a 5th farm or 4th farm or 3rd farm, or some people who got school long time. You know, some people were seasoned into school. That the child that them are described. Them not describing a child that doesn't speak much and just, I must say 1 month or so. Jayden start at the school 1 month yet, because the first week of September was election, and then take him with the 26th. So take out the election and go up to the 26th. That's not 1 month yet in the year. Okay. He's a grass mite.
He's part of our population and we're close in his family. So today when we announced that quickly we're going to arrange a search, I mean the entire school population almost literally wanted to go on the road. We had to manage the numbers. And they didn't just want to go for the fun of it. They had a depth.
Alright, so this is a part where I tell us that this piece of pagan shit here is a devil. This guy, Gabriel, Principal Gabriel of Manchester, is a devil. He's a demon. He's a reincarnated demon. Now, I saw a clipping yesterday with the whole of Manchester United High School out the door. I walk up and down because apparently they must have win some ball game or something. Right? Now, unless you are going to tell me that a ball game, winning a ball game is more important than the life of a human being, then we can stop talk. Unless you're willing to tell me that a ball game or cricket or whatever sports is more important than the life of a human being, then you can spare me. So you can bring out the whole school for March because you win some crappy game. But when the whole school want go out to go look for Jayden, you want all kind of security measures and you can't bring out the people and picnic. And that's what I'm telling you. You see what me that like? And the people in Manchester, I don't know what I'm afraid of, you know. I don't know what I'm afraid of because watch this. Let me tell you what I like to see happen. But I like to see all of the parents them. All of the parents them want to picnic go up a match yesterday because they win sitting. The whole I don't know will never get no letter. The whole I don't know will never get a consent letter for sign to put on a picnic on the road for go match for whatever them win. The company media come barley out. Because him saying couldn't do it, because he want consent and he can't bring out people picnic and all them sitting when it's time for him to go and march for Jayden and search for Jayden, saying he couldn't do it. But ironically, you see him and his boyfriend I walk down the road in a one march. He told them in a yellow shirt.
They had to manage the numbers, and they didn't just want to go for the fun of it. They had a deep concern, and they really want him to come back home. When I went to his class, they were at the first form. That was Monday morning. So he sits right at the front of the class, to the right of the teacher, and they left his decks and chair very clear, and with the high hope and expectation that he's going to rejoin them. So you can imagine the kind of impact. So everybody's going about still going to their classes and engaging in their various activities. But when you come on the campus, you can tell that something is different.
Are his guardians, parents, a part of this search party?
Not today, but they have been all over the place. She has visited school on a number of occasions, so we stay in close contact, and they have organized searches independently of what we're doing. So sometimes they would move out with us.
You know what I say? You know, say if you got prison, you know, even if you only step down, if you go straight to prison to this guy here. The man say the family them the numerous search. Remember, this was like the 3rd of October, you know. And we hear say the crocodile never go out because Mr. Thompson go out, Mr. TV go out the Saturday morning. So yes, if you when he might try to throw you off like a pot water, off a banana.
And depending on where the leads are, they would go to different areas. But today was a date to be arranged one, so they went apart of 6 months.
And what have you been able to gather from his class teachers? What kind of student is Jayden?
Just like MP said, all positive. It's one of those model students, and it's one of our indicators as educators. Whenever you see a male student wants to sit at the front of it.
So question. If everything that I hear from his class teacher, everything that you hear from his class teacher is all positive, so I want to ask a question. If that's the case, right, how them come to the conclusion that he's taking drugs and he's running away? How one come to that conclusion? Because I don't understand enough. You have to have some form of motive for your brain to lead you down a path or down a place. So if you haven't got no motive, how you just come up with that out of a fixed skull like that? I don't understand how that works. I don't.
Just talking about purpose, determination, passion. One of the highest achievers, that came in on the test placement with a very high score in excess of 90. Valedictorian, top and that's a pizza place quite popular. And they had good interactions. They were sharing meals with him and so on. And everything they said is that he ate more than he would have normally eaten. And they all left him there.
Alright, I'm not coming now. Him say, him speak to some of the children them